What's up, Blooms? In today's video, I'm having a full wash day using Pattern Beauty products on my fine, low porosity natural hair. I went to Ulta recently and picked up the On The Go kit from Pattern Beauty. I'm using their hydration shampoo and heavy conditioner to wash my hair. Pattern Beauty also carries various amounts of conditioners and stylers for curlies, coilies, and tight textures. Check out the rest of this wash day, and later in the video, I'll show you how I use Pattern Beauty's styling products and share my final thoughts. so this is the final look of my twist out. I changed my parting because I love me a good side part, so this is what I'm going with. But y'all, let's talk about these products because my hair looks so bomb and feels... First of all, let's get into this definition. Look at this definition. Look at this hair. I wish you guys can feel how soft it is. This styling cream, bomb. So let's talk about everything. So the first product that you guys saw me use in my wash day was the hydration shampoo. I really like this shampoo. It went on well and it had a great lather, and after I rinsed it, my hair didn't feel stripped. My hair felt clean, but it didn't feel too drying or anything. I really like this shampoo. Something that I would note about this shampoo, you don't need a lot of it. A little bit goes a long way. The ingredients are not, you know, they're not the ingredients that I would reach for normally. Just quickly glancing, I don't have my glasses, but from just looking, there's a lot of things on here that I really don't know what they are. So if you are ingredient conscious or just don't want to add certain things into your hair or your routine, I would say look at this a little bit more closely. But I've been wanting to try this brand for such a long time that I'm just, you know, I just went for it. But yeah, keep that in mind if you do look at the ingredients a little bit more closely. But in terms of the way it felt, my hair felt really good when I was applying this shampoo as well as when I rinsed it out. Yeah, I really like the shampoo. There's nothing bad I can say about this hydration shampoo. Now let's move on and talk about the conditioner. The conditioner, it wasn't my favorite. I'm not gonna lie, it wasn't my favorite. It wasn't my favorite. This is the heavy conditioner for 𝐘𝐬𝐬𝐿 Amplified Hydration and Nourishment. I didn't really like this conditioner on my hair. I have fine hair, as you guys know, and I don't think that it applied too well. I mean, it went on okay, but it's so thick. This conditioner is very thick, like thick AF. So on my fine hair, I found it to be a little difficult to absorb, and I did leave it on for a little bit after I applied it. As you guys saw, I let it sit on my hair just because I was hoping that after a while it would sink in. It did a little bit, but I was expecting it to absorb in my hair a little bit better. It does say it's for coily and tight textures. My hair is not really on the tight side. Like, I don't know. I feel like I was expecting it to melt into my hair a little bit better. So if you have fine textured hair like me or low porosity, I would say maybe this conditioner may not work best for you, in my opinion. Like, just from me using it, this was my first time trying this conditioner and I didn't really like the way it applied. I found it to be too thick, and I didn't like that it didn't, I feel like it didn't absorb too well into my hair. I was using warm water when I wash my hair. Normally, you guys know I like to use warm water for my low porosity hair, so I did that, and I still found it to be a little difficult to get this product in my hair the way that I would like. So far in the products that I use from Pattern, this conditioner, this heavy conditioner, I don't think I would reach for it or repurchase it, but you know, that's just my opinion. If you've used it before and you liked it, let me know in the comments. But so far, from my first time trying it, I didn't like the conditioner too much. In terms of the styling products, y'all, this leave-in conditioner and this styling cream, bomb. The leave-in conditioner had a lot of slip. You guys saw when I was applying it, I had great definition just from this product, and it applied very well. This styling cream as well, like both of these products together, like y'all see, like I don't need to say too much. I really enjoyed both of these products a lot. Out of all of these products, the top three for me are the styling products, the leave-in, the cream, and the shampoo. Those products, I thoroughly enjoy them. So the styling cream, the texture of it was really great. It is thick, but it has movement to it. It's not as thick as the conditioner. And y'all, the way my hair is feeling, like This twist out, I feel like it's going to last me a good couple of days, and my hair feels moisturized. Like, let's talk about that. My hair doesn't feel dry at all. My hair feels like if I just keep up my twist, you know, just twist it at night and then unravel it in the morning, I'm still going to have moisture without having to refresh with cream or anything like that. I am going to see how long this twist out lasts me without needing to reapply products or anything. But for the first time trying these products, the leave-in conditioner and the styling cream so far are wow. Like, I am so blown away. The definition alone from these products would definitely make me repurchase them, and just the moisture, like, I really enjoyed using these products. I want to try doing a wash and go with the leave-in, the cream, and the gel. I used a little bit of the gel earlier to do my edges. I'm not a connoisseur on gels too much because I don't use them in my routine often, but I feel like so far I like it. I don't think this has a strong hold. I don't think. I mean, this was my first time using it, but I like the way it applied. It feels really nice, and it went on well on my hair. But yeah, I want to try doing a wash and go with the styling products. Let me know if you guys would be interested in seeing me do that. But yeah, that would be something else I would want to try. But for my first time using Pattern Beauty, I really am impressed with the styling products and the shampoo. Just the conditioner I wasn't really a fan of, but yeah, if you've used any of these products, let me know your thoughts. But y'all, my twist out, it's good. It's good. Let me know in the comments if you guys would want to see a wash and go using the styling products from Pattern Beauty, their styling cream, and the leave-in conditioner, and also the gel. But yeah, that's it for today's video, y'all. I hope you guys enjoyed my demo using Pattern Beauty products on my fine low porosity hair. Thank y'all so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you next time.